I just filmed the entire process without hitting the record button. I am upset. It's currently like 6:15. We're going to the gym. We're gonna be doing a little slick back action. We're back from the gym. I didn't record because I didn't realize how many people go to the gym at like before 7. News to me. There was like 40 people in there, especially all men. I saw maybe one girl. It wasn't my best day today. I was just super off. No, I just was not feeling it. Hello, how you doing? Anyways, this is our post-workout brekkie. Trader Joe's almond butter is yes. I didn't set up the weight rack correctly, and I was too lazy to maneuver it. Wait, where the rack sits, they were sitting a little too high, so every time I walked up to it to re-rack it, I would have to be like, and I was already shot. My legs were already shot. So anyways, it's okay. Also, this chicken sausage is my favorite. It's from Trader Joe's. I think it's like the sweet apple, I think. We have made it. I'm going to Bible study. Super excited, super stoked. Fun fact, I'm the youngest one there and everybody has a child. I'm literally the only childless one, or not married, so it's a fun time. I really do love it. I encourage you to surround yourself with women of God that are older than you to just speak wisdom into your life. It's amazing. And men, if you're watching this, I encourage you to surround yourself with men who are older, who are married, who have more experience or wisdom with life and everything. But also to say, don't let anybody talk down about you, about your age. Because we all know that Bible verse. But also, don't puff your chest up thinking you know everything. Hopefully, people like this baked oats. Cinnamon roll baked oats. I reheated it in the oven for 15 minutes at 200. So I'm really praying that it is not cold in the middle. Okay, y'all, I am done with my Bible study. That ended a little while ago. Cinnamon roll baked oats were a hit. Everybody was eating them up. They were asking me for the recipe, so y'all, it's legit. And I tried it, and it's good. I will link it if you're like dairy-free, gluten-free, soda-frees. Y'all, look at this. It's the Oscar Mayer wiener! What in the world? Oscar Mayer done pulled up at the Target. Oh my word. Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good one.
You too. Yo, I ordered a really healthy meal. But you know what? I also ordered a small side of fries because why not? I've been having this song on repeat. This entire video, I feel like I'm in the kitchen. I just want to show y'all the perfect crispiness. With me, and I'll begin to look at the book first. And so, just doing a homework assignment. I have 2 like reading quiz assignments left, and then like 1 like 25 question assignment, and I'm done. Like. Yeah, right now I'm watching Campus Community while I'm doing homework. Campus Community is at Liberty, and Dr. Wheeler, one of my favorite professors, is teaching tonight. If you are like a freshman or anything and you don't know who Dr. Wheeler is, take his class. Take his evangelism class. Buenas. Your girl look crazy. I feel like this whole vlog is what I eat and me baking stuff. This is literally my whole life, so we're not faking it. Beautiful. A friend of ours gave us some eggs from their chickens. They look like Easter eggs because they're all different chickens. It worked. Some chicken sausage and some sweet potato gnocchi from Trader Joe's. I might put a little bit of this tzatziki dip on top of it because flavor is everything. And this is about 27, 28 grams of protein. Can you help me mix? Mix. Can you help me mix? Hold it. Now mix. Mix. Mix, good job. Make it job. Mix it. Make it job. Make it job. Make it. That's the way. Make it job. How? Are you singing? Look. Apple. See the apple? Can you say all done? All done. All done. Morning, 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 y'all. It's your girl, JG. We're looking a bit rough this morning. Finished my classes today. Yo, girl, it'll be a graduate. Big girl business. And that'll be it. Scoot on up. Thank you. I love when they say scoot on up. That's my favorite part. Ma has been my right hand lady, helping me record my video content. Are y'all serious? Proud mom moment. My sourdough has officially risen. Good morning.